am super excited because today is awesome. You know, we are in season of Christmas. Some of you are celebrating your Christmas and there are gifts. This is what we know December for. Gifts, 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 gifts. And as I'm talking to you, an announcement is coming from CoinMarketCap. I don't think there is anybody who is in the crypto space that doesn't know CoinMarketCap.com. That is one of the largest crypto analysis platform we have on this planet Earth. I love CoinMarketCap. They have come out with this announcement. They are given 10,000 USDT free to you to thank the community because they have just reached 300K on their YouTube channel. Awesome. So if you want to be participating on this, it's going to be opened on 20th of December 2021. And it's going to be running for a period of time. So you make sure you have to go to the page. The page is put on the description below. You're going to see it for yourself. Go to the page, register, refer people. The more people you refer, the more you are going to precisely to win. That is how it is on this particular one. So that wasn't much of a time. Please permit me to welcome you if you're here for the first time. So subscribe. If you've not subscribed, I'll be happy to welcome you. Good friend, my name is Chima. I am the anchorman to Crypto Office. Crypto Office is your YouTube channel that you discover latest information in the world of cryptocurrency. What will happen here is to give you the best information. Only but the best information. There is no scam. We can't scam people because we are honest people. If you are honest, then you are meeting another man that is honest. So, a little disclaimer here, I am not a financial advisor. Please make sure you go to see whoever is your financial advisor. Go and meet him so that he will give you information before you make your decision to invest in what of cryptocurrency because it's a risky environment. In fact, many countries don't want to do anything with cryptocurrency because it is risky. Having said so, let me take you to the website so that you see for yourself to participate on CoinMarketCap giveaway coming up on 20th of December 2021. Yes, you are super welcome to this article on CoinMarketCap. As you can see with me, it is an announcement from CoinMarketCap. Okay, and the description to this page is on the description section. You can check out the link so that you can go and check out for yourself. This is real. This is not flop. This is not a scam. It's coming from CoinMarketCap.com. Win 10,000 USDT worth of Christmas gift. This Christmas gift is for you. So how do you participate? Okay, how do you participate on this? The aim of this Christmas gift is to thank the community who have subscribed to their YouTube channel. They have hit 300,000 milestone. Okay, they are very much grateful to the community and they want to reward the community for helping them. They are targeting to reach 500,000 subscribers on 25th December 2021. So if you want to be among those who will support them, who will help them, go visit this page and get yourself ready. On 20th of December is going to be opened. You will register, then get your affiliate link, share it to your community and refer more people. The more you refer, the more chances you have. They are giving out $10,000 worth of USDT. Okay, and like you can see from here, that if we reach 500,000 before Christmas Day, we will be able to give you 20,000 worth of gift. 20,000 worth of gift. Okay, $20,000 worth of gift. That's what we're going to give.
Now, one lucky winner taking home either 5,000 or 10,000 as a Christmas present. Awesome. Are you going to let this pass you? Are you going to let this pass you? How do you participate? Very, very important. How do you participate? On December, as you can see on this link, on December 20th, hop over to CoinMarketCap/Christmas. Go to this link, CoinMarketCap.com/Christmas, and you subscribe, enter your email, get your unique referral link, send it to all your friends. See yourself go up to the ladder. That is all you need. So you visit the page coinmarketcap.com/Christmas. Then you subscribe, register your email, get a referral link, share your referral link to many people. They are tracking it, and the more people you refer, the more chances you can win. You can be the lucky person who is going to get home with 10,000 or 5K, 5,000 worth of USDT. Awesome. That is for you. The more you refer people, the more you go up the ladder. Okay? And they are promising you are going to get great content just like you have on CryptoTix here. Okay? And everything is starting on December. Date December 20th. 2021, and they are going to be covering a lot of things. They're going to be covering a lot of things for you from that particular day. So it's an opportunity to check out their content on CoinMarketCap or here on YouTube. Is for you. So don't forget how to participate. You go to coinmarketcap.com/Christmas on December 20th. It's going to be open, and that is all. That is all you need to do. Go to that website, register, get a link, and share your link to your friends. The more people you get, the more people you refer, the more you have chance of climbing the ladder, and you can be the winner of this 10,000 USDT. Is up for grab. And remember, when you win, remember to share with me. There is love in.
Yes, I want to believe you have seen for yourself this article, and it's an announcement coming from CoinMarketCap. So it's real. There's no scam on it. All you need to do is visit that particular website, register on it, refer people. The more you refer people, the more you're going to win. As simple as that. No gimmicks. They are honest people. They're going to give you 10,000 USDT. It's going to be you. And when you win, please remember me. I share the information with you. I want to thank you so much for checking out this channel. Oh, by the way, remember I did a video on Loopring. Loopring is another platform that is also giving they are giving 600,000 reward for people who can trade. If you can trade, possibly the video here can be able to help you. Check out the video to know if you can participate on that one. That one is going to open on 23rd. So a lot of giveaway, a lot of gifts is coming to happen right now in December. From now to 25th to even to 30th, a lot of giveaway. So you come back, put on the notification bell so that you know when we release information on giveaways, gifts, and giveaways. More is coming on this channel. So subscribe. If you've not subscribed, I'll be happy to welcome you, good friend. Thank you very much, and do have a blessed day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.